channel. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you already know who I am, welcome back again. So the thumbnail itself says it's my hair care routine, and on this video I'm going to share how do I manage my curls with less minimal products and how often I straighten my hair. So without further ado, let's start the video. So the first step, what I do for my hair care routine is massage my hair with oil, and I try to do it weekly twice, if not at least once. I will make sure I'm doing this. And the oil what I use for my hair is of course a coconut oil. You will find it in every Indian house and it's amazing. I love the effects of the coconut oil. I prefer doing it like little bit warm temperature of the oil and then massage through your hair, to your scalp. Give some 5 to 7 minutes for your massaging. Like if you massage your hair like nicely, first thing all the headache will be gone. First thing. Second, it will give you that relaxation what you need. So that is the first thing what I prefer. And then I leave that oil for 2 to 3 hours, or I will apply it during the night time, braid my hair, and then wake up in the morning and then wash my hair like that. So my hair type is a dry and frizz, and for that I use this perfect combination of shampoo and the conditioner. As you can see, the Biotene, if you can eat it, it contains coffee, collagen with Biotene. So I really like it. It's Husk Clean Beauty, and the only 3 things what I was looking for my shampoo and the conditioner was sulfate free, paraben free, and of course I do color my hair, so like that artificial color. I did not needed any different kind of colors in it. So this is the perfect one for me, and I am using this for last 2.5 years and I love the effect of this on my hair. So here's the next thing what I do after shampoo and conditioner. I don't wrap my hair into a hair tie or a clip. I wrap my hair into this towel wrap. As you can see, this is made of microfiber, and I just wrap it for 5 to 10 minutes, and it does absorb my water into this hair. So I don't use any hair dryer or something like that if I have to leave it curly. And I do not prefer using more heat stuff on my hair except hair straightening, which I do it. I'll show you how I do that as well. So I leave this for 5 to 10 minutes while I'm getting ready, while I'm doing other stuff. My hair is already dry with this, and then I style my hair with the products what I'm going to show you next. Here comes the most difficult part of my routine, which is how I manage my curls. And for that, this product has really helped me a lot. I have tried a lot of curling stuff, which lot of things I have tried on my hair, and personally nothing helps. So finally I ended up with this product, the shampoo and conditioner brand. And then I also found this 5-in-1 leave-in spray, which is thickens and detangles, and it also controls my frizzes. As you can see, I have a lot of frizz in my hair, so this really helps me. I will highly recommend, but again it depends on your hair, on your volume of your hair, and everything what you prefer. This does prevent breakage. I do not have split ends anymore. I used to have a lot, I do not have anymore. It also moisturizes my hair, and the best thing, this is also a thermal protection, which is if I have to straighten my hair, I will just use this product, and I am good with that minimal products what I use on my hair. So the next question in your mind will be popping up, that how often I wash my hair. I try to stick to only twice a week for my hair wash, but sometimes in the summer it gets super sweaty with the workouts and the activities what we do outside kind of stuff. Then I go for thrice a week. Hey everyone, you all made it till here. On this part, I'm going to show you what product I use while I'm doing the straightening, and how is my straightener looks like, from where I got that, and all those things, and how much time it takes to straighten my hair, because my hair is still this sleeve. That's long how my hair is. So let's start that. My thermal heat protectant, I'm going to use this, my leave-in spray, 5-in-1 leave-in spray. This is the hair straightener I use, Remington, and I like this because this is 3-in-1. I can straighten my hair, I can curl my hair, I can halfway straight and halfway curl, which I prefer. First thing what I have done is I have already brushed my hair with my hairbrush and made sure there is no tangles in my hair. Then I have used this heat protectant to spray it all over my hair nicely. Not a lot, but that much amount where you feel like okay, your hair is safe and it's protected by the heat what we are going to use. See, 1, 2. So this 3 things can be done with one straightener. That's the reason I like it, so that I don't have to buy a straightener or a curling iron differently. So as you can see, there's like this curl can be done, this bouncy curls can be done. I think it's beach waves or something like that. This kind of curls are done. And then one is the straightener. So whatever you prefer, you can do it with one straightening hair straightener, which will be cost effective. That's the reason I love this one. Styles on my hair. This right side does not have any products used. Side I have just used this product and straightened my hair, and this is how it looks, the bounce curls, and that's what I like, half straighten and half curl. That is what my straightener does it to my hair. Of my styling with my straightener. Now I'm going to fix my frizzes all over my head. I'm pretty sure it's mostly on the top. So what I'm going to use is this olive oil. So what I'm going to do is it's in a form of spray. So I'm just going to take 2 pumps. That's it, as if it is an oil. So make sure you're not having chumpy stuff on your hair. So it's just this much, you can see. And then I'm going to just apply on the top and go to the bottom and make sure just like bounce it, and I'm done. And that's it. This is what I do for my hair care routine, and this is how I style my hair, from curls to this. My hair care routine. I hope you all have enjoyed, and little bit you guys can relate with my hair care with yourself as well. If you have any questions, write in the comment sections and let me know. And also, if you have any best hair care tip which you advise for me or all the moms around the world, you can also do that in the comment section as well. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's do this. Join with the team of Mom with Dreams and turn on the notification bell to get notified as soon as my video gets uploaded. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share with your friends and families. Have a wonderful week. Bye.